20 minutes later.
DJI Mavic Mini SE, and now it's time to fly, and let's see, is it a really good drone in 2022? So we have our app right over here. You can see this is our app. So we're going to take off. So we're gonna press this and then we're going to take off. Make sure. Just like that, it takes off from my hand. So now we're gonna bring it a little bit back, just like this. That's it. All right. Now, as you can see, this is our flight control. Now you can see this is our resolution, 2.7K at 30 frames per second. That's the max. And here's our EV control as well, storage. And here you can do white balance, of course. So this is, you can set on your own, just like that, or you can do auto mode. I usually put it as auto mode, but if you prefer, you can do that as well. Now, this drone has 3 modes. So if we tap here, we're in sports mode. So this is like high speed. Then we're in sign mode. So it's like really slow, like cinematic. And then this is P mode. So that's like, you know, normal basic mode. That's it. And well, on the remote control, we can bring the camera on this down. So let me show you. So you can see I'm pointing down, then up, just like that. Super easy. And over here is showing the battery percentage and when it will come to home and when forced landing and all that good stuff. Over here there's our signal, RC control, all that. And here you can set the maximum altitude and every single thing, like transmission 5.8 gigahertz. Camera, you can do all that setting, of course, grid lines, everything, control, and just like that, well, we're good to go. Now some shots on our Mavic Mini SE. Roll it on. now that the drone's battery is a little bit low, we'll just press return to home so it will come home automatically. So just press this and it will come back home. As you can see, it's coming back.
12 seconds later.
And this is what you call professional videography. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe with notifications turned on. More about this drone. This is a very good compact drone and lightweight at only 249 grams. Very impressive. Now I will be doing more drone reviews, professional DJI drone reviews. So if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe once again. And I'll see you guys next time. See ya and enjoy this new Mavic Mini SE.